Hello, welcome everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Today I have a special lesson for you to learn English and especially for from intermediate to advanced learners. You will enjoy learning English with Mr. President Obama. I will review his series of videos especially would help learner to understand English very well, to learn his sentences and vocabulary with pronunciation សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះយើងមានការធ្វើការបង្ហាញនៅវីដេអូពីការបង្រៀនរបស់លោកប្រធានាធិបតី Barack Obama កម្មវិធីនេះគឺយើងបានដកស្រង់រាល់វីដេអូរបស់លោកដែលបានធ្វើបទបង្ហាញសន្ទរកថាទៅលើក្រុមរបស់លោកការលោកធ្វើជាប្រធានាធិបតីអាមេរិកដែលមានក្រុមរបស់លោកបានចូលរួមស្ដាប់នៅសារដែលមានសារៈប្រយោជន៍ខ្លាំងៗ Okay, do not waste the time. Please pay your attention and enjoy the time to learn English with Mr. President Barack Obama. Okay, now let's start. I will preview my slide presentations. Okay, so Mr. Barack Obama គាត់បានធ្វើកិច្ចសម្ភាសន៍ហើយនឹងឆ្លើយឆ្លងទៅលើក្រុមអ្នកយកព័ត៌មានក៏ដូចជាក្រុមអ្នកដែលបានមកស្ដាប់នៅសន្ទរកថាដ៏មានអត្ថន័យរបស់លោក Okay, I will start right now. It's really an honor to ask you this question. Well, my name is Alonso Conejo. I'm studying marketing at Universidad San Ignacio Loyola. And my question is about what advice will you give to Peruvian students that they are starting to think different, to making a change not just in Peru but worldwide, make a change about worldwide. What advice will you give, Mr. President? Right now we live in a world that maybe the bad is good and the good is bad. So what advice will you give them to chase their dreams, make the country better, not Peru, just worldwide? That will be my question. Thank you, President. នេះជាសំណួររបស់អ្នកកសែតបានសួរទៅលោកប្រធានាធិបតី Barack Obama ឥឡូវនេះលោក Barack Obama នឹងមានសារឆ្លើយយ៉ាងមានសារៈប្រយោជន៍យ៉ាងម៉េចខ្លះចឹងបងប្អូនគ្នា Learn English with Mr. Barack Obama. Okay, President Obama គាត់ឆ្លើយថាម៉េច Well, look, you are already doing so well. I don't know that I can give you the perfect advice, but I will tell you what I tell my young people who work in the White House and who I meet in the United States. Because I think what's true in the United States is true for you as well. We live at a time where you always seeing bad news. Everybody, bad news get a lot of attention, right? But the truth is that in some many ways, the world is better now than it was 20 years ago, or 40 years ago, or 100 years ago. People are healthier today. They are wealthier today. They are better educated today. The world, if you look overall, is less violent than it was. Look at the 20th century. Millions of people dying everywhere. Look at Latin America and the wars. They were taking place everywhere across the continent. And so you actually are living in a time of relative peace and historic prosperity. Okay, so Mr. President ក៏បន្តទៀត And I said that so that you should feel optimistic about the future. You shouldn't feel pessimistic. Yeah, you're always seeing bad news. But the truth is, the world is in a place where it can solve its problems and be even better 20 years from now or 50 years from now. You have to start with that hope, that sense of optimism inside you. Because if you don't feel that way, then you don't bother to try to have an impact because you think every politician is corrupt and all the governments are terrible and people are greedy and people are mean and so I'm just going to look out for myself and then nothing gets better. So you have to start knowing that things have gotten better and can continue to get better. That's number one. Okay, what is number two, everybody? Number two, I always tell young people too, and I don't know if this translates well in Spanish, but I say, worry more about what you want to do and not what you want to be. Now, here's what I mean. I think a lot of people, they say that to themselves, I want to be rich. Or they say to themselves, I want to be powerful. Or they say, I want to be the president. Or I want to be a CEO. I want to be a rap star. So they say they have the idea, but the people I know who are most people successful, usually they are successful because they found something that they really care about and they worked at it and became really good at it. And over time, because they were so good at what they did, they ended up being rich or they ended up being powerful and influential. But in the meantime, they were constantly doing what they enjoyed doing and learning. And that's what made them successful, right? Okay, let's go on. So what I would say to all of you is, find something you care deeply about. If you care about poor children, then find a way right now that you can start helping some poor children. Don't wait, saying to yourself, or someday when I'm president of Peru, I'm going to have poor children. No, go now and find an organization or create an organization that is helping poor kids learn or be exposed to new experiences. If you care about the environment, don't wait. In addition to your studies, you could start having an impact right now on trying to improve your local community or trying to be involved in some of the work that's being done around things like climate change. Okay, the point is that once you decide what it is that you really care about, there are all ways for you to now get involved and pursue that passion. And if you pursue that passion and you get good at it, you are not going to change the world overnight. Nobody does. I mean, I eventually, at the age of 45, became a senator and then the president of the United States. But I worked for 25 years in poor communities and worked on issues. And hopefully, I was doing some good even before I was famous or powerful. So famous or powerful, so that if I hadn't ended up being president, I could still look back and say, I worked on the things that I care about and I got something done that was important. And that I think is the most important advice that I have for you. Okay, thank you everybody for listening to my reading the speeches from Mr. President sent to his supporters. Okay, now everybody, it's your turn to learn words and pronunciation from his speech. បងប្អូនឥឡូវនេះចាប់ផ្ដើមរៀនពាក្យនិងការបញ្ចេញសំឡេងដ៏សំខាន់ដែលបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាពេលខ្លះចេះពាក្យនឹងហើយប៉ុន្តែការបញ្ចេញសំឡេងខុសធ្វើឲ្យស្ដាប់មិនយល់ឬមួយក៏និយាយមិនកើតអញ្ចឹងដើម្បីឲ្យចេះភាសាអង់គ្លេសគឺត្រូវចេះពី phonetic symbol អូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងមិនមែនអានថា honor ទេអញ្ចឹងតែត្រឹមត្រូវ the correct sound phonetic symbol is honor មានកិត្តិយស advice ដំបូន្មាន question សំណួរ already រួចរាល់ attention ការប្រុងប្រយ័ត្ន educated not educated educated right ការអប់រំ continue បន្ត Spanish ជនជាតិអេស្ប៉ាញ powerful ដែលមានអំណាច successful ដែលជោគជ័យ influential ដែលមានឥទ្ធិពល constantly ឥតឈប់ឈរ organizations អង្គការ experiences ជា plural experiences ដែលមានបទពិសោធន៍ environment បរិស្ថាន Thank you everybody for watching my video. So please read the text again and try to practice speaking by yourself. Then I believe that your English will be improved gradually. Okay? ចឹងបងប្អូនទៅរងចាំតាមដានរៀននៅមេរៀននេះជាបន្តទៀតព្រោះវាមានសារៈសំខាន់សម្រាប់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា Okay? So ទាំងអស់គ្នាមានសំណួរអីអាចសួរបានហើយយើងមានសារៈប្រយោជន៍ក្នុងការតាមដានហើយរៀនពាក្យហើយនឹងសន្ទនាពីថ្នាក់ដឹកនាំកម្ពុជាគឺអតីតប្រធានាធិបតីបារ៉ាក់អូម៉ាអញ្ចឹងលោកតែងតែមានការផ្ញើសារថ្លែងសន្ទរកថាដែលមានអត្ថន័យសារៈប្រយោជន៍ជាពិសេសអ្នកដែលរៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសអាចរៀននៅពាក្យពេចន៍ក៏ដូចជាប្រយោគបានយ៉ាងល្អប្រសើរបាទ Okay, thank you for supporting my video sharing of teaching English. So don't forget to subscribe and share. Okay, thank you. No.
Can you imagine travel?
Đi toàn chụp không chụp camera stop free cam
Super Mr. Nawon One Tiny Shim to Monghang Yung Yu Put the night back board in Chúng việc ban chiều video mùi tèm đòn nhưng ở trong bạch tàu bất đầu cả program in đi thầy tại bật thai anh mong hộp hài the way that I buy roll button. Hello guys, in this video recording you can also set shortcut keys to stop recording or to discard recording. We have connected our microphone also, it is visible here, selected. Super Mr. Nawon One Tiny Shim to Monghang Tao mình là sự về tranh bị cộng thời set I save and close ឬក៏នៅនេះខ្ញុំ export ហ្មងអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំ export វីដេអូនេះអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំឧទាហរណ៍ខ្ញុំដាក់នៅក្នុងទីតាំងណាមួយគេដាក់ឈ្មោះវាអញ្ចឹងវាចាប់ផ្ដើម export តហើយអញ្ចឹងក្នុងទីតាំងណាមួយតែនៅនេះខ្ញុំចង់ remove noise អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំអាច select វារួចហើយ step ទី2គឺចឹងនេះ step ទី2គឺយើងក៏ click noise remove មកវាធ្វើការ remove ចឹងវាសំឡេងក៏ល្អជាងមុនដែរហើយយើងអាច adjust volume អីហូបហែយើងអាច select អ
trong play cho nó ngồi cho nó trong play biết sale cho một biết sale
các bông ôn thì bông ở bên được một trong đó có thể bốn cho kita I accept the expense agak itu kita saya lagi pasal di tongkat naik kami accept ya bông kita I សួស្តីអ្នកនាងហ្នឹងហើយបងអ្នកគ្នាចូល PowerPoint មកផាកនេះក៏បានចុចនេះក៏បានឥឡូវយើងចុចនេះតាមដល់video បត់បងណាហើយយើងរងចាំចិត្តពេញណាអ្នកគ្នាបាទយើងវាស្រួលដែរអ្នកគ្នាពេលយើងបង្កើតយើង save ជា video ហើយយើងអាចsend វាទៅតាម Telegram សិស្សអញ្ចឹងណាដើម្បីឲ្យសិស្សមើលមេរៀននឹងម្ដងទៀតអញ្ចឹងណាជិះវាល្អដែរណាបញ្ហាហ្នឹងណាបាទបញ្ហា record នេះគឺវាចំណុចដែលយើងបានលើកពេញហើយអ្នកគ្នាយើងចាំតិចអូខេឥឡូវយើងបន្ទាប់ពីបានហើយយើងពេលដើរពេញយ៉ាងហើយយើងយកសាកទៅមើលកន្លែងដែរដែលយើងរក្សាទុកអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំរក្សាទុកនៅ desktop អ្នកគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងចូល desktop តោះឥឡូវយើងចូលមកយើងទុកយ៉ាងសិនបាទបន្ទាប់មកយើងចូល desktop នេះអ្នកគ្នាឃើញវីដេអូហ្នឹងឥឡូវយើងលោកសាកស្ដាប់ឬសាកមើលបាទ record នេះឃើញអ្នកគ្នាដែរអញ្ចឹងយើងចូលបរិញ្ញាធម្មតាមកបាទចូលមកហ្នឹងបិទចុះអានេះពេលយើងថតចប់ហើយយើងចង់ធ្វើមិនភ្លេចនេះបាទណាអើយLô,បងសួរតិចរ៉ាដូហ៎
ra đố dương trong phải cho bật sale free cam á lên screenshot này nâng dương cho mic vì không play vậy cho dương thọt screenshot PowerPoint nhé bạn ta dương bật vía đầm bay sale á free cam á dương cho mic lên khi cái đa cho chứ cái này control rồi sale á free cam vậy á nhóm chùm ráo đó thọt screenshot lên laptop chùm ráo này lên cha chẳng ai lên cha chẳng ai lên cho dương cha tôi mày mà dương trong play dương cho dương thưa presentation hỏi cho dương bật á chạy Windows cái Windows y trong play luôn chạy escape em tranh để bên nơi cho bà luôn chạy escape chạy